These have been coming up on my screen over and over and over again, and that usually means that it's the next trending thing. Do these live up to the hype? We're gonna find out today. You know I'm gonna keep it real with you. Let's go. All right, y'all. Hey, they're good. They're very good. Very good, well seasoned, lots of flavor, but no more so than a regular drumstick would be, in my opinion. The premise behind these are that if you butterfly them, you'll get more surface area, so I guess you'll get more flavor and stuff like that. I didn't really find that to be the case. And it would be cool if they were really cool looking, you know, like there would be a reason to do it if, let's say, they tasted no better than a regular drumstick, but they was just really so cool looking that you want to do it because it's you get the baller presentation out of it. I don't think these are all that attractive to look at, man. Drumsticks are cheap, they're plentiful, they're always available, so it's cool to find something new and different to do with them. But if you want to do something really different with a drumstick, with a chicken leg, that right there, man, that right there changes the chicken leg to something different. Now, it's going to take more prep than these, but the prep is worth it. So this is just a well-seasoned drumstick in my opinion. Butterflying it doesn't do anything for me. Doesn't make it more flavorful. Doesn't even make it more attractive.